Robust digital expert enthusiasts.
Welcome to Robust Digital Expert, your digital cafeteria, your career accelerator, and your future-proofing hub. This is not just another tech channel. This is where digital dreams become strategy, structure, and success. Are you hungry for growth? Craving real transformation? Then you are in the right place. From business analysis to project management, from data science to AI, from Scrum mastery to mindset mastery, from robotic process automation to business intelligence, from machine learning to digital transformation. We train, we mentor, we elevate, with zero tech snobbery and 100% hands-on value. No experience, no problem. Our doors are open to beginners, career switchers, returners, and ambitious dreamers. We make it practical. We make it personal. You do not just learn, you become. What we offer: live projects, digital internships, virtual mentoring academy, mastermind support groups, bursaries, subject to eligibility criteria, on-the-job support, real confidence, real CV results. And yes, we go beyond hard skills. You will get mindset rewiring, confidence coaching, clarity building, because true success starts from within. This is where self-belief meets skill set. This is where accountability meets opportunity. So, smash that subscribe button. Tap the bell so you never miss your moment. Your seat is ready. Your path is set. Let us build the digital future together. Check the description for your next step. Start today. Stay consistent. See results. Robust digital expert. Learn, transform, elevate.
The title of the playlist.
The Business Analyst Acronyms and Glossary.
The title of today's episode.
Recovery Time Objective, RTO.
The table of content.
Table of contents. Definition. We start by providing a clear and concise definition of the acronym or glossary term, highlighting its significance in the field. Origin. We discuss the origin or source of the acronym or glossary term, providing relevant background information or historical context to help you understand how it emerged. Detailed explanation. Here, we offer a thorough explanation of the acronym or glossary term, breaking it down into its constituent parts and explaining the meaning behind each element. We elaborate on any specific terminology or concepts associated with the term. Relevance to the field. We explain why the acronym or glossary term is essential and relevant. We discuss how it addresses a specific need, solves a common challenge, or represents a key concept within the discipline. Usage. We describe how the acronym or glossary term is used in practice. We explain the scenarios or contexts in which it is commonly employed and how it contributes to the field. Examples of application. We provide two concrete examples that demonstrate the practical application of the acronym or glossary term. We explain how it is utilized in these scenarios and the benefits it brings. In summary, we summarize the acronym or glossary term, offering a brief and concise overview that allows you to understand it quickly.
Definition.
Recovery time objective, RTO, is the maximum acceptable duration of time that a system, application, or process can be unavailable after a disruption before significantly impacting business operations. It defines the target time within which services must be restored to avoid unacceptable consequences.
Origin.
RTO originates from business continuity and disaster recovery planning, becoming prominent as organizations began relying heavily on digital systems. It emerged as a key metric to align IT recovery timeframes with business risk tolerance and regulatory or contractual obligations.
Detailed explanation.
Time-based targets, expressed in hours or minutes. RTO defines how quickly a system must be recovered after an incident. Business-driven, determined through business impact analysis, BIA, considering the cost of downtime, stakeholder expectations, and process criticality. Technical strategies, achieved through high availability architectures, failover systems, backups, disaster recovery sites, and automation. RTO versus RPO. RTO focuses on how long services can be down. Recovery point objective, RPO, focuses on how much data loss is acceptable.
Relevance to the field.
Aligns IT with business needs, ensures recovery capabilities meet organizational priorities and tolerance for downtime. Guides solution architecture, influences infrastructure choices, redundancy models, and recovery mechanisms. Supports risks and compliance, establishes measurable targets to meet contractual, regulatory, and governance standards.
Usage.
Disaster recovery planning defines restoration time targets per system or service and informs recovery procedures. Service level agreements, SLAs, incorporated into SLAs with vendors and internal teams to set expectations and accountability. Prioritization of systems. EPS classifies systems by criticality and determines investment in resilience and recovery speed.
Examples of application.
e-commerce platform. A payment gateway may have an RTO of 15 minutes to minimize revenue loss, implemented through active clusters and rapid failover. Internal HRO system. A non-critical HRO system might have an RTO of 24 hours with recovery via standard backup restoration to reduce cost.
In summary,
RTO defines how quickly systems and services must be restored after a disruption to avoid unacceptable business impact. It is a cornerstone of disaster recovery and business continuity planning, shaping technical strategies, SLAs, and investment decisions to ensure operational resilience.
join the journey. Grow with us. Thank you for tuning in to Robust Digital Expert, where digital skills meet real transformation. Your time, your attention, and your support mean everything to us. You are not just a viewer, you are part of a movement that is redefining what it means to learn, grow, and succeed in the digital age. If you have not yet subscribed, now is the perfect moment. Subscribe to join a dynamic community where education meets innovation, and every episode is crafted to empower learners, leaders, switchers, and dreamers like you. By subscribing, you will unlock curated playlists built to accelerate your career, expert insights that demystify the tech world, mindset mastery content for real-life breakthroughs, hands-on digital training with real-world application. We want to hear from you. Drop your comments, share your thoughts, and suggest the topics you want us to tackle next. Your voice shapes the future of this platform. Be more than a viewer, be a contributor, be a digital transformer. Smash the like button. Share this with a friend or colleague. Stay engaged as we continue building a future-ready learning community. Join the Robust Digital Expert family today. Learn, transform, elevate. Your growth is our mission. Your success is our story. Thank you once again. We are just getting started, and we are glad to have you on the journey.